Britain's John Farnsworth is the best at freestyle soccer in the world.
Freestyle's taken off so much, and I've been lucky enough to win some of the major competitions, which has been great for my career. And alongside that, I've been able to set 4 different world records. One's the most amount of around the world tricks in a minute, which is 85. The second one I did was juggling the ball just on my shins, so again in 1 minute, which was 107 touches. The third one I did on my heels, and that was 133. And the final one was the most amount of face rolls performed in no set amount of time, and that was 559. So my most recent challenge was completed a whole marathon juggling the ball, and that was 12 hours. So we worked it out probably between 80 and 90,000 touches throughout the time, always on my feet. The beauty of soccer freestyle is you can do it anywhere, and that's how I learned in the smallest spaces. I used to go out when I was younger in the garage, in the garden, and just trying out these tricks until I could get them. And because I was so dedicated, I've been able to get better and better.
And because of his skill, he has seen the world.
Brought me over to the US now. I've been over to 30 different countries performing.
This week, he's in Lincoln.
I'm over this week with Challenger Sports doing the freestyle camp, and the aim of that is to get children more confident with the ball and just learning the basic juggling tricks. And on Friday, the aim is to perform a little show for their parents.
Saturday, John performs at the halftime of the Revolution game at Gillette Stadium.
Maybe they could use some of the tricks in the game. It might help them out. But everything's on my website, which is johnfarnworth.com.
I think I need some tips from the website. Don Coyne, ABC 6 Sports.